Hi, I'm Dr. Christine Sauer. Welcome to the 60 Seconds Comfort Food Makeover. Healthier, happier choices. In just 1 minute, we'll show you how you can transform your favorite comfort foods into nutritious and delicious options. Let's get cooking. Makeover 1 pizza. Swap out traditional crust for a whole grain or cauliflower crust and load up on colorful veggies and protein. Use a light layer of cheese and a flavorful tomato sauce for a healthier twist. Makeover 2, mac and cheese. Next, revamp your mac and cheese by using whole grain pasta and a homemade cheese sauce made with milk and cheese. And add in steamed veggies like broccoli or spinach for an extra nutrient boost. Makeover 3 are burgers. Upgrade your burger game by using real grass-fed ground turkey or beef or a plant-based patty if you like that. Pile on the fresh veggies and opt for a whole grain bun or lettuce wrap for a lighter yet still satisfying options. Makeover 4, ice cream. Satisfy your ice cream cravings with a healthy alternative, like blending frozen bananas for a creamy dairy-free treat. Add in your favorite fruit or a spoonful of nut butter for extra flavor. Makeover 5, fried chicken. Finally, give fried chicken a makeover by using an oven-baked method instead. Coat the chicken in seasoned whole grain breadcrumbs and bake until crispy for a delicious guilt-free indulgence. And there you have it. In just 60 seconds, you've learned how to make healthier, happier, comfort food choices. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and tasty tips. Happy cooking! And for more information, see below the video. Bye bye. When you combine modern science, ancient wisdom, nature experience, and love, magic happens. I'm Dr. Christine Sauer, physician, naturopath, coach, human. It feels like magic to my clients when their lives are transformed through the skills combination of natural and human sciences, ancient philosophies, and caring human-to-human interaction. Discover this kind of modern wizardry and let's prepare powerful healing potions together. Come and enter our wonderful world of wellness.